Hi guys, how are you? Marcel here with A Little Fish in the Kitchen blog. I know it's been a while. Popping in here today with a quick recipe for you all, an easy recipe for some delicious sweet lemon muffins. This has been a really popular recipe with my family over the last few weeks. We've enjoyed a few batches of them, and I don't know what it is about spring, but suddenly it's spring and lemon flavored everything is everywhere, and so we're jumping on the bandwagon here today, and we're making some lemon muffins. I'm sharing my recipe with you. We're going to jump on in here with this recipe today. So I'm going to talk about prep. I already have my muffin pan here prepped with just some standard paper liners from the grocery store. You know, that pack, that tube you can get. They already come in pastel colors, so it's perfect for spring. That's what I've used back here. My oven is nice and toasty warm at 350 degrees. And down here at the table, I have everything laid out. So let's jump right in here and make some luscious lemon muffins. Okay guys, so here's what we need to put together our tasty lemon muffins. I have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour here that I have already pre-mixed with a teaspoon of baking powder and a quarter teaspoon of just regular table salt. I have 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. I have some lemon extract. I have some vanilla extract. I have 2 beaten eggs. I have 2/3 cup of what is actually homemade buttermilk. It's just regular 1% milk that I actually put a couple teaspoons of lemon juice into to make it curdle a little bit and made some buttermilk. And that's really it. So we're going to put these together and put them in their muffin cups and pop them in the oven. Okay, so let's put our quick batter together here for these lemon muffins. I've already transferred my flour mixture into this medium-sized bowl. I'm going to go ahead and put in our sugar, mix it all together just like that. And like I said, this flour has already been pre-mixed with baking powder and a little table salt. And of course the full recipe is available on my website. The printable recipe will be there for you. I'm going to go ahead and pour the buttermilk, homemade buttermilk, into the eggs. Give it just a quick little mix. And then put our extract. I do put about a teaspoon, sometimes a half teaspoon of vanilla, but definitely a teaspoon of the lemon extract. Okay, now that our wet ingredients are all mixed together, we're going to make a well in the center of our dry ingredients, and we're just going to pour this all in here. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. It smells really good. It's bright and citrusy, and you can smell the back notes of the wonderful vanilla scent from that extract. So you just gently take your wooden spoon here, and it won't take long before this batter comes together, and it'll be a little bit thick, but that's okay. And it'll have some lumps, but that's also okay. It'll work itself out through the baking process. You don't want to keep mixing and try to get out all those lumps and overmix your batter, because then they won't rise or they'll be tough. All right, so there we have it. Just about a minute, and we're ready to go. All right, so let's get this batter into the muffin cups. And like I said, I love to use these. It's an ice cream scoop, but this is actually a size 20 vol wrap ice cream scoop that we use for all kinds of stuff, and it works out really well for making cupcakes and muffins. Because you do get a pretty even pour in the cups, so your cupcakes and muffins will be pretty uniform when they come out of the oven. Alright, I'm going to keep transferring these, and then they're going into a 350 degree oven, and I'll keep an eye on them, but typically they're done in about 20 minutes in my oven. So we'll check back with you in just a second when they're all baked up. Hi guys, all right, well we're back. The muffins did come out of the oven. I'll put a nice pretty picture. This was the sample. We taste tested it and made sure it was good. I do have an assistant for this round. She's going to help me with the glaze right here. And we'll get these muffins glazed. I'll show you the recipe for the easy lemon glaze. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so here we go. Back down here where you can see the action. All right, so here we have a 1/2 cup of sifted powdered sugar. This is a container we're going to put the completed glaze in. And then here's lemon juice. That's it. 1/2 cup of sifted powdered sugar and about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. All right, go ahead. Let's pour it in there, and then you can whisk it. Got it? All right, so get the whisk, and you just stir that up until it's smooth, making as little mess as possible.
What do you mean?
What do I mean? Okay, so Emery has got the glaze all together, and I transferred it to a little squeeze bottle so we can put the glaze on. And if you just want to use a butter knife or something simpler than this, you can. This is just how I prefer to do it. And so we just kind of take this decorating bottle, and this is a Wilton decorating bottle. You can get these anywhere. They sell decorating supplies, basically. They even sell them in the Walmart cake decorating aisle.
Mommy?
You want to do that one, baby?
Mommy, yeah, but can I do all of them, but can I do different things?
Go ahead, sweetie. Just go ahead and put them on there. Well, okay, we're going to continue icing the muffins. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you'll give us a thumbs up. I hope you'll subscribe and stick around for more recipes. These muffins are almost done. She's done an excellent job icing them. This batch of muffins has a special destination. Tomorrow is my mother's birthday, and we're going to be taking them over to her place for a special birthday lunch my sister planned. And so luckily we won't be the only ones eating this batch. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. And say bye.
Bye!